All right, so these are the Biscoff cookies. All right, I wasn't even talking. I don't even know what happened, but we're gonna be making some fried Oreos off of these Biscoff cookies. You get these cookies on the plane. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna make fried Oreos out of these. So let's get into it. So this is what we have to make our fried Oreos. We have the powdered sugar. I got my grease going. I have my Aunt Jemima pancake mix. And you need milk. And we have the cookies. So we're going to be trying the Lotus Biscoff cookies. And I already have my grease going. Let's do it. So here is my pancake mix with my milk. So I'm going to just stir this until I may add some more. I'm going to add some more pancake mix just to make it a little bit thicker. So this is the mixture. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more pancake mix because I want it thick. It's too loose. All right, so here we're making Oreos, fried Oreos. So here is the mixture. I already have my oil going. So you need to get your oil hot, like maybe like 400. You know, put the oil, get hot as you can. Again, here is my mixture. Pancake mix, so it's to the consistency that I want. Put all my mess up. All right, so we're doing the Biscoffs fried Oreos. Fried. So here's my mixture. I'm gonna dump the cookie in there. I'm gonna dump it. And I'm gonna put this one in the grease. It's like my grease is hot. So these are the cookies. I put them in the Oreo mix. I mean the pancake batter. I just flip them. It could get a little messy. So yep, I'm gonna put them in the grease. All right, so here we are. This is the airplane cookies as a fried Oreo. So I'm gonna lace them with 2 with powdered sugar and 2 without powdered sugar. You're gonna see what they look like. This is without the powdered sugar. And see what it do. So here's the powdered sugar. All right, so me and the mister are going to try the Biscoff. What do you call the airplane cookies? Yeah. The airplane cookies as a fried Oreo. This one doesn't have any powdered sugar on it. That's what it looks like, the inside. Not bad.
Mm-hmm. The cinnamon really pops out.
Yeah. The cinnamon really pops out. This one doesn't have any powdered sugar on it. So here's one with with the powdered sugar. Great. It's great. Definitely probably a 10 out of 10.